guys, good morning. Happy rainy day here in Gujarat. May cyclone po dito sa amin sa Gujarat. Nag-start yesterday. Pero yung pinaka-affected na state ay sa bandang Mumbai. Pero today, this time, they said cyclone is here now in our state, Gujarat. Pero hindi naman ganun guys ka-apektado dito. Ganito na yung cyclone dito. Hindi naman masyadong malakas ang hangin, hindi rin malakas ang ulan. Pero since last night it was raining, so we are safe here. So guys, today sa vlog namin, a Filipino couple, married to one Filipino married to Switzerland national. Nagpadala po sila ng blessing kasi after po nilang mapanood yung aming previous vlog about sharing our blessing sa mga street vendors. So natouch po sila, so nagpadala po si Ate Lionel Ganob ng blessing dito sa India. So she wanted us to give them cash, not this essential stuff. So because ayaw din niya kaming pumunta sa supermarket para to buy something, so she requesting to give them cash. So naghihintay po kami ng mga street vendors para i-surprise.
So guys, we are waiting for them. Yes, if street vendor is coming. So once they come, we will surprise them. Yes.
Yan guys, lumalakas ang ulan dito sa amin sa Gujarat. Sipag pa rin ni Kuya magtinda. We're buying ginger, yeah?
No paisa.
We're buying ginger. How much is this ginger?
10 rupees.
10 rupees? Okay.
Nadiad.
He's from Najad. How is sale today, this weather?
આજે તમારું વેચાણ થયું છે એમ
Less because of this weather, yeah.
ના રોકાણ લોકોને 1000
1,000.
and
Right.
200
200 is like profit. Okay. Do you have children?
તમારા બાળકો છે three children.
3 children. Okay. So
my God.
because it's too much rain, and look, this guy feel sad for him. My friend from Switzerland, Ate Lionel and husband, wants to give presents to you. Okay, Shama?
500 રૂપિયા
Yeah. Better you go home after this, yeah?
ઘરે વહેલા જતા હોય એમ કે
Because look,
આજે ના વેચતા
maybe rain will come more too
મારા
much.
બાળકો જોડે એનો બીમાર પડી જશે
Okay?
ઓકે
So thank you very much, huh? You take care. Okay?
હા ચલો
Bye-bye! So guys, lumalakas na ang ulan dito. Pati hangin, no? Wala na sigurong dadaang street vendors dito. Siguro mamayang hapon na lang uli natin tutuloy. Pero hindi natin sure kung whole until evening ganito na dito sa Gujarat kasi nga dahil sa cyclone, no? Bye, namaste, Kemcho! Hello guys! Yesterday was heavy rain and strong typhoon. May cyclone dito yesterday, so we found only one vendor. So today guys, look, still the weather is no good. So Shama is buying.
hello good morning
What are you buying?
I'm buying banana
Banana.
કેળા કેમ આપ્યા 30 rupees kilo
30 rupees.
કિલો આપી દો ને
So 1 kilo, this one.
છે તમારું
Oh my god, it's big.
હા Vijay, his name is Vijay. કઈ રહો
His
છો
name is Vijay.
હા he just live here. So 500 rupiah.
Madam Shama is
He don't have change guys.
how much you're paying? 500, yeah?
30 rupees for
Kilo.
banana per kilo, and I give him 500. He don't have
500
change.
rupees.
And
So no
guys,
change, no change?
છૂટા નહીં
No change?
છૂટા. He don't have change. He મારા પીસ કાપીને મને આપો. I'm giving for my
Yes.
banana.
This is for
500 રૂપિયા
banana.
તમારી gift અને મારા પીસ કાપીને 20 પાછા આપો. So guys, I'm giving him 500 rupees and I'm taking my 20 rupees change back.
So he's very very happy.
Pusso?
Abar Sir Peter. Sir Peter.
Sir Peter ને આભાર કરી દો.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So how much your profit for this?
એટલે
Profit, daily income.
ડેલી ઇન્કમ આની કેટલી હોય છે તમારી?
400
400, 500.
400, 500. So now you double your income for today, yeah?
Okay,
So
saru.
you got children, yeah?
3 children.
3 children.
Yes.
And wife, what is wife job?
તમારા વાઈફ શું કરે ઘરે જ છે હાઉસ
Just housewife. So thank you very much. Yeah?
Sir Peter Sanjilas.
ઓકે he said sir Peter thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're
Okay.
welcome. Thank you, Sir Peter from Switzerland and Ati Lionel.
પણ એને બતાવવું પડશે હા
Namaste, Kemcho.
મજામાં
મજામાં
Okay.
શું નામ છે તમારું
ભાવના
This girl, this
Bhavna.
lady is selling. What is this for salad? Mango?
No, this is mango for to prepare pickle.
Ah, pickle. It's like Indian mango in Philippines.
Yes, this is
It's
native
like
mango.
Indian mango in Philippines.
Native mango.
I am from Philippines.
મારા હસબન્ડ ફિલિપિન્સ થી છે
From
મારા
Philippines.
હસબન્ડ છે મારા ઘરથી છે
Yes, my wife, beautiful wife. So we
એટલે
will,
કેટલા રૂપિયા આપીએ
guys, we will surprise her. She doesn't know.
30 rupiah?
Anyway, she don't
કિલો
કિલો
understand me.
30 rupees કિલો
30 rupees kilo. So 30 rupees
કિલો
kilo.
કરી દો
She is from here, Gujarat?
Nadiad thi jo,
Najad, Najad?
yes from
Okay.
Nadia. કિલો કરી દો
They're buying 1 kilo. Oh, yan, no? Unique na unique ang timbangan nila. This is only in India, this kind of weighing scale. I haven't seen this in Philippines or in any other
લાલ
country.
મોડાવાળી
આ છે ને બધું
like this
So, Sama, you're buying 1 kilo, yeah?
1 kilo
Okay, yan guys, so, ganito ang pag... 1 kilo na doon, tapos dapat mag...
750
750 only. Alright. So, that's good.
she will do more 250
250. Because this is not enough. Only 750. Okay. Alright. So that's it. Okay, yeah.
તો કેટલા રૂપિયા થયા આના
40
This is 30, yeah.
40 rupees કિલો
40 rupees kilo. 40 rupees kilo. Okay, guys. My money here is 500 rupees.
छूटा नहीं है मेरे पास
No change?
No change.
No change?
no change
Okay. Filipino gift to you.
તમને આપ્યા વાપર
તમને વાપરવા આપ્યા
My gift to you.
એટલે
Yeah.
મારા હસબન્ડના એક ફ્રેન્ડ છે એમણે ગિફ્ટ મોકલાઈ છે
Yeah, Shama is explaining.
જે અહીંયા કોરોનામાં આવું વેચે છે એ લોકોને આપજો
Shama is explaining about
Okay?
this corona
So I
that
explain.
again.
સ્વિટરલેન્ડ થી મોકલ્યા છે
Yeah,
પૈસા
from Switzerland. Yeah, this is from Switzerland.
સ્વિટરલેન્ડ
Ati Lionel and
Who's that?
Sir Peter Rob, yeah?
હા.
So,
તો 500 બસ છે
come on. And another one. Another one.
લઈ લો She's speechless
1,000 rupees for you. Okay?
Okay.
You deserve.
એમને એ કરી
મહેરબાની કરી મહેરબાની
Yeah?
જેમણે
So-
મોકલ્યા છે એમને આપણા તરફથી આપણા લોકોને હેલ્પ કરે છે
Hopefully it will help to you, yeah?
Ah,
You got
yes,
children? Children?
તમારા બાળકો છે
હા બે છે
2 children
Two children.
તો આજે એમને સરસ
Okay.
ખવડાવજો
હા
Okay? So have a nice day and thank you very much.
થેન્ક યુ હા
Thank you.
થેન્ક યુ ભાવના
You're welcome, yeah?
હા
Okay, thank you. Kemcho, Uncle Punam.
હા
You okay? Namaste, yeah?
So guys, this is our
Uncle.
uncle. To surprise him, he is homeless and people from here we are helping. You can see our previous video that
We
are,
pictured him.
yes.
Yeah.
So because this is now Corona time and he is not making much money.
Second wave. This is only his source of income.
Yes.
And before we pictured him, we tried to help him because homeless man, no any family from Nadjarja.
Yes.
So we feel sad for him this time as
So
well.
straight away I want to surprise him.
Hmm.
Okay, Punam Kaka. This is you 500 રૂપિયા બરાબર અને જમજો હા બરાબર જમજો ઓકે ઓકે આ છે ને પૈસા ધીસ મની આઈ ટ્રાય ટુ એક્સપ્લેન સ્વિટ્ઝરલેન્ડથી એમના ફ્રેન્ડ છે ઓકે એમણે મોકલી આપ્યા છે બરાબર યુ એક્સપ્લેન
So Shama is explaining my my friend from Switzerland, Ate Lionel, and her husband, Mr. Peter Grove, is share their blessing here in India. So we choose Uncle Poonam to have this blessing.
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to say thank you very much again because of you, these kind of people at least getting meal. Thank you very much. Heartily thank you.
Okay, yeah. Uncle Poonam, you take care, yeah? It's raining, so better
Sami
you...
lejo, barabar?
Okay, you buy your food, yeah?
Okay, chalo.
Okay. Hello guys, shout out muna tayo while we are waiting for street vendors. Shout out Jeremy Rodriguez at saka sa mga taga Coron, Palawan. Lockdown pa raw sila hanggang May 26. Ingat kayo doon guys. Shout out Miss Beautiful Tere Lingaw, Onil Pogi Aguilera, JB Sigurigan, Joan Gonzalez, and beautiful Jensis Sales. Happy birthday Shamila Shailim, May 20 from Basilan, Mindanao. Hello po sa mga taga San Antonio, Quezon Province. God bless you all from Maridit Mundagar. And also special shout out kay Rizzy Hernandez from your good friend Nas. And I think that's it muna guys. Guys, may bago tayong isa surprise. So Shama is here.
શું નામ છે ભાઈ તમારું? રાહુલ.
Rahul.
આ વટાણા કેમ આલ્યા? વિસના 250? વિસના 20 rupees 250 gram.
So buy
વિસના આપી દો મને.
Okay. So Shama is buying this bin. 20 rupees daw ang how much? 1/4 o
250 gram.
250 grams? Okay. So guys, wala siyang ka-idea na bibigyan namin siya ng konting gift. So let's see. So guys, 20 rupees, yeah?
He is
Chutta?
asking change.
No change?
No છૂટા
No
નથી.
change? Oh, sorry, no change. Okay, keep the change.
એટલે એવું કહેવા માંગે છે આ 500 એ 500 રાખી લો. સમજ્યા તમે? 500 રાખી લો.
So, okay? Okay? Happy?
ખુશ છો?
Happy?
હા.
Okay, now Shama, tell why we're giving the change.
આ અમે કેમ આપીએ છીએ હું તમને કહું. મારા હસબન્ડ છે એમના ફ્રેન્ડ છે. મારા હસબન્ડ છે એમના ફ્રેન્ડ છે સ્વિટ્ઝરલેન્ડમાં છે.
So what are you telling?
I said our friend from Switzerland, subscriber, she send money. She appreciate in this corona you working very hard.
Yeah, you risk
and
your life.
Risk your life. You have
Okay.
children at home,
Okay.
family at home, and you are delivering at home.
Okay, so Ate Lionel and Sir Peter Grove, thank you very much. We help another street vendors. You got children, family?
Two children.
2 children. Okay, so give this to your children, yeah?
તમારા બાળકોને આપજો. And આ મારા 20 રૂપિયા.
This is your payment for
Barabar?
this, yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Vale, chalo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Hello guys, good morning. This is our third day looking for vendors because of cyclone. Not too many vendors are selling. So uncle is doing this, sharpening our kitchen stuff. Yeah, no. This is his
Small
job.
pizza 10 rupees.
10 rupees?
Small pizza.
Small pizza. This is 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
Okay, and we will do this one.
And nice 5 rupees.
Night, 5 rupees. Oh guys, tingnan mo yung aming night dito. So this is his job. What is name, uncle?
તમારું નામ શું છે કાકા? સુરેશભાઈ.
Suresh. Suresh. I'm Mr. Bimbo from Philippines.
મારા હસબન્ડ બિંબો એમનું નામ છે ફિલિપિન્સથી છે.
Philippines. So this one is finished?
નો જે he will do.
He will do.
Good morning uncle.
Alright. So yan guys, yan ang trabaho niya araw-araw. Manghasa ng anumang gamit sa kitchen. So he's hardworking man. Suresh.
કેટલા વર્ષના છો કાકા? 60 years old.
60 years old, uncle, yeah? Very hard working. So surprise namin siya para naman sumaya ang kanyang araw. Thank you Ate Lionel and Sir Peter Groth from Switzerland. Uncle, કેટલા
रुपया था
કેટલા રૂપિયા?
ना ना जे नहीं कितना था
How much all?
50 rupees
50 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay, uncle. Uncle, I will give him 500 first. Uncle, 50 rupees. 500 rupees, yeah? Are you right? Happy? Are you happy?
पुष्टो
Oh, it's alright, uncle. Don't worry. I know. Life is difficult. He almost cry. He almost cry, yeah? Don't worry. Don't cry, uncle, yeah? Another 500 for you, yeah? You take care. I know. Life is very hard, yeah? Don't worry.
जमी ले जो
You go home. You go home and have rest. Because you have too much job. It's very hot weather, yeah? Tell him.
બહુ ગરમી છે ઘરે જાઓ આજે કામ ના કરતા સરસ રીતે જમો
Okay, guys? Sorry about that. I know. Almost cry, uncle. Thank you very much, yeah? Have a nice day.
તમારા
Bye-bye.
બાળકોને ખવડાવજો
Chalo, chalo. Okay, yeah, thank you. He's going home now. Okay. So good morning, guys. He is the last one I'm going to help. I like mango, and I'm decided to give him help. But before that, we're going to buy mango. Okay. This tree, yeah. Please.
1 કિલો કરી દો
Yeah. I like this mango, very sweet. Pero he doesn't have idea that I'm going to surprise him. He is the last one, the luckiest one. Kitla guy, bye. 100 rupiah. Okay.
ઓકે મૂકી દઈએ
So this is for 100 rupees. Okay. 100 rupees.
100 રૂપિયા લઈ લો એમાંથી
You got change? You got change?
Change me.
Nahi? Okay, this is for you. This is gift from
તમારી માટે છે
ठीक है.
this is gift from Switzerland. Filipinos send blessing here in India. So you're the last one we're going to surprise. Okay?
Okay.
Are you happy with that? Very happy?
Happy.
Very happy?
happy.
So it's not enough. We decided to give you 1,000. Okay? Do you have children or family, brother, sister?
પરણેલા છો?
नहीं नहीं.
Single.
Single, but brother, sister, yeah?
Do you have brothers?
दो brother, दो sister.
brother and two sister.
Two brother and two sister. So hopefully this will help, yeah? 1,000 rupees. You are a very hard working man, yeah? Still young.
તમારે કઈ કેવું હોય તો કહી દો થેન્ક યુ કે કઈ
Thank you, Switzerland.
સ્વિટ્ઝરલેન્ડ
Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome. And to all Filipinos helping us, yeah?
એટલે મારા હસબન્ડ ફિલિપિનના છે એ લોકો આપણને હેલ્પ મોકલાવે બીજા કોઈને કદાચ ભવિષ્યમાં મોકલાવે
Thank you, help.
થેન્ક યુ હા
Okay,
ચલો
yeah, yeah.
થેન્ક યુ
Okay guys, thank you Ate Lionel and Sir Peter Groth. Bali guys, they sent us 8,000 rupees and they decided to share 5,000 to all vendors here in India. So it's done all now, and 3,000 they said for our family. So Ate Lionel, thank you very much, and Sir Peter Groth, and to all our subscribers, please continue to support Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Please like and share, and please follow us on Facebook page and Instagram. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.